Just a couple of pitches and a big swing of momentum. Here's the first pitch of the game from Feldman, and Reyes drives it into the alley in center field. Jake Marisnick over to cut it off. Here's the throw to second base. Reyes is in there with a leadoff double, and he hurt himself. He is called out, and he hurt his shoulder. He slid into second base with that head first slide, and you can see him grabbing his left shoulder. He is called out because he came off the base, and this is not good news.
He has been bothered by that right shoulder now for about a month or so. He got a cortisone shot to alleviate the pain just a little bit. He's had trouble throwing the ball across the diamond, and when he went in hard at second base, it looked like he jammed up his shoulder.
Well, Reyes with that head first slide. Mike Frostad, the assistant trainer, attending to it. Looked like they're looking at his collarbone area.
That's why I don't like that head first slide. Watch how he went right into the knee of Marwin Gonzalez.
And unfortunately, he's going to come out of the game. You see that left leg planted firmly on the base, and Reyes slid right into that shin bone with his collarbone. And he's going to come out of this game. And he's out as well, so maybe he's not coming out of the game.
Yeah.
Maybe he's just out.
He's walking
at
off
second.
now.
He was called out at second for coming off the base. He appeared to reach the base safely and then lost contact when he was concerned about that shoulder.